Want to create video courses with LearnWorlds? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to use this platform to easily build and sell your courses. If you're searching for a streamlined, professional solution, or just want to learn how to get started with LearnWorlds, stick around because by the end, I'll give you some alternatives that might actually be a better fit for your needs. First, let's dive into setting up your course. When you sign into LearnWorlds, you'll be greeted by a simple dashboard. Here, you can start by creating a new course. Click Create and choose from different types of courses, whether it's a single lesson, a full curriculum, or a membership option. The platform offers a lot of flexibility, so you can design your courses the way you want them. Next, you'll want to upload your videos. LearnWorlds supports various media formats, so whether it's a full video course or a collection of tutorials, you can easily add them to your lessons. Just click on the Lesson section, choose Video, and you'll be prompted to upload your content. Keep in mind, LearnWorlds offers customization for video players, which lets you brand your videos with your own logos and colors. The fourth thing to know is about course structure. You can organize your video lessons into modules and sections, which is perfect for both short courses and more comprehensive programs. LearnWorlds also lets you add quizzes, assignments, and surveys, helping you keep your students engaged and track their progress. This is a great feature, especially if you're looking to provide more than just basic video content. Next, let's talk about monetization. LearnWorlds offers multiple options for selling your courses. You can set a one-time price, offer subscription models, or even set up a payment plan. The platform supports integration with popular payment processors, so you can easily accept payments from around the world. You also get access to affiliate marketing tools if you want to incentivize others to promote your courses for you. The next thing worth mentioning is LearnWorlds analytics tools. After your course is live, you'll want to track how students are engaging with your content. LearnWorlds provides detailed reports on course completion rates, video views, and even quiz results, which can help you improve your offerings. But here's where LearnWorlds can feel a bit restrictive, especially for those who want an easier to use, more intuitive experience. Although the platform is packed with features, it's not the easiest to navigate, especially for beginners. Some users report feeling a bit overwhelmed by the learning curve. If you're new to creating online courses, this might take a little more time to get used to. Now, let's get to the part that's really going to help you make the best decision. I'll mention that while LearnWorlds offers a solid platform, there are some great alternatives out there that might be more suited to your needs. For example, platforms like Teachable or Thinkific offer similar features with a more user-friendly interface, especially if you're looking for simplicity and ease of use. These platforms may also provide better customer support options, making them more suitable for those starting out. So, if you're thinking LearnWorlds could be your solution, you're in luck. Not only do I have an exclusive extended free trial for LearnWorlds through the link in the description, but I also have some amazing alternatives that could work better for the goals you want to achieve. And the best part? These alternatives also come with free trials, giving you a chance to try them before you commit. By using our link, you'll get the best possible free trial and some exclusive benefits that are only available to viewers like you. So, check it out, experiment with the different platforms, and find the one that works best for your course creation journey.